Welcome in this beautiful program where we learn a lot of techniques, breathing exercises which are tremendously necessary for those who have just recovered from the corona or prevention of the corona. We all know this corona is a serious pandemic. It has a most important impact on our lung. Lung is one of the most important organ for our life. This is the organ where the blood gets purified, we absorb the oxygen, carbon dioxide gets filtered and being taken out from our body. One thing which is clear, that once someone gets badly affected by the corona, a serious inflammatory response happens. And this inflammatory response leads to damage in the lung even after the patient recovers from fever, recovers from shortness of breath, he does not require oxygen. A slow glade inflammation goes on, and it has been found that post-corona, a significant number of patients are landing with lung fibrosis and some serious respiratory complication. We do not have medication to 100% prevent this fibrosis and the damage. I'll explain one by one the exercise, how it needs to be done, and the basic physiology behind or understanding behind the exercise, how it is going to impact your health. This coronavirus, what it does, it enters inside the lung. Okay, the virus enters inside the lung. And it causes proliferation and ultimately leads to a lot of inflammatory response, which leads to destruction of this alveoli. And during the healing process of the inflammation, what happens? Inside this lung, inside this alveoli, a lot of tough fibrous tissue surrounding the blood vessels inside the alveolar lumen and on the lung matrix, it got affected by a lot of fibrous bad tissue which does not allow the lung expand properly. And if we do not exercise, if we do not allow our alveoli by forceful mechanism to expand further, then these fibrosis become permanent. The fibrosis or the injury to the lung, it slowly continues. Now we discharge the patient. If after he goes home, he does not do these practices which I am going to teach there is every possibility that your lung will not function as it was supposed to, or as it was functioning prior to the corona infection. So these exercises which I am teaching in this section are tremendously important, and you need to learn all this exercise step by step and practice it.
Now, one thing you should remember, the set of exercise which I have designed here, even though this is a pandemic situation, my main emphasis was to help to the pandemic, to the COVID victim patients or to prevent COVID, but the same set of exercise is tremendously going to help you if anyone who is suffering from bronchial asthma, if anyone who is suffering from COPD, that is chronic obstructive airway disease, those who are smokers, and also this exercise, those who are practicing regularly, their lung health will become so much boosted up. Their immunity in the respiratory system will be so great that they will be protected from all the seasonal respiratory tract infection, which is the most common problem during the winter time and also in the polluted cities like Calcutta or any part of the country. So I'll recommend everyone to live healthy. You need a healthy lung, and for that you need to practice all this set of exercise. Whether you are suffering from COVID, whether you are not suffering from COVID, whether you have bronchial asthma or you do not have asthma, whether you are suffering from any COPD, whether you are a smoker or not, everyone needs a healthy lung. This set of exercise will help you to improve the health of your lung, to boost the immunity in the respiratory tract, in the respiratory epithelium and the respiratory system, so that you can live a very healthy life. Enjoy the benefit of this exercise. Please join in this program and learn how to keep your lung absolutely fit and fine and absolutely healthy.